येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। आज कुछ शब्द हैं इस सूची में जिनको हमें पढ़ना है, और जो शब्द हैं वो सारे संज्ञा शब्द ही हैं. सो ऑल द वर्ड्स दैट वी सी टुडे आर द संज्ञा शब्द, द नाउन्स in some way. So the Shabdas are, can you read Divakar ji? Vari till Shariram.
जी। वारी अर्थात जल। हस्तः अर्थात हाथ। दंतः अर्थात दांत। ओष्ठः अर्थात ओष्ठ या होंठ। अधरः अर्थात नीचे का ओष्ठ। स्कंधः अर्थात कंधा। कंठः अर्थात गला। केशः अर्थात बाल। नखः अर्थात नाखून। पादः अर्थात पैर। नासिका अर्थात नाक। ग्रीवा अर्थात गर्दन। जिह्वा अर्थात जीभ। जंघा अर्थात जांघ। मुखम अर्थात मुंह। उरः स्थलम अर्थात छाती। हृदयम अर्थात हृदय। उदरम अर्थात पेट। शरीरम अर्थात शरीर।
और भी एक शब्द है शुचि, स्वच्छ, पवित्र. ये विशेषण वाक्य, ये विशेषण में यूज होता है. जनरली यूज इट फॉर विशेषण, बट we also have used it in some mantras and all, right? We say apavitrah pavitro va, if you remember that mantra. So there it comes, yas smaret pundari kaksham सह बाह्याभ्यंतरः शुचिः, comes like that. So this is for shuddhi, we say. So anyway, now uh, hasta to pada are akarant pullinga shabdas. हस्त से लेकर पाद तक दे आर ऑल अकारांत पुल्लिंग शब्दास. एंड नासिका जंग से लेके जंघा तक, फ्रॉम नासिका टू जंघा आर इकारांत स्त्रीलिंग शब्द, लाइक रमा और लता. सो आई वांट यू टू डू दिस फॉर हाँ, कंठ. कंठ में कैन यू गिव मी द शब्द रूपा फॉर कंठ?
ओके। कंठः स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम प्रथमा विभक्ति। कंठः कंठौ कंठाः कंठम कंठौ कंठान कंठेन कंठाभ्याम कंठे कंठाय कंठाभ्याम कंठेभ्यः कंठात् कंठाभ्याम कंठेभ्यः कंठस्य कंठयो कंठानाम कंठे कंठयो कंठेषु हे कंठ हे कंठौ हे कंठाः।
हाँ, करेक्ट. तो now I will do it for Rama. Sorry, sorry, Nasika. Like Lata, Late, Lataha. I will do it now. So Rama, Rame, Ramaha. In the same way, we will say Nasika, Nasike, Nasikaha. Then Ramam, Rame, Ramaha. Nasikam, Nasike, Nasikaha. Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramabhihi. नासिकया नासिकाभ्याम नासिकाभिः. रमायै रमाभ्याम रमाभ्यः. नासिकायाम sorry, नासिकायै नासिकाभ्याम नासिकाभ्यः. And then what is Panchami? Panchami is रमायाम हाँ, रमायाः रमाभ्याम रमाभ्यः. So नासिकायाः, नासिकाभ्यां, नासिकाभ्यः, रमायाः, रमयोः, रमान रम हाँ, रमानां, नासि नासिकायाः, नासिकयोः, नासिकायां, रमायां, रमयोः, रमासु, नासिकायां, नासिकयोः, नासिकासु, हे नासिके, हे नासि हाँ, लता लते लता, राइट, हे नासिके, हे नासिके, हे नासिकाः. So that is how it will work. So the next thing that we need to see is, or by the way, this is not Ramanam. I said it wrong. Ramanam, Ramanam नहीं होगा. It will be Ramanam. क्यों? क्योंकि णत्व हो जाएगा. न के पहले र है तो. So I said that thing wrongly. So it is Ramanam. So you can check it later. So now the other thing that is being said is a new shabda. Vari. Vari is the new shabda. We use this for jala. Vari. We say Ganga Vari. Ganga Jala in that sense. So we will see what it means. I will also ask some questions actually. So Divakar ji, can you please tell me uh, the meaning of each, spell out each of these things. I mean, tell what just say all of these things and tell what each of these things mean.
ओके. वारी अर्थात जल.
हाँ.
उम, अर्थात जल ने. यू वांट मी टू ऐड द कारक टू द मीनिंग, राइट?
हाँ. जल. हाँ. So
वारी. यस, तो वारी वुड बी
एक जल या
जल देन.
अब एक जल, दो जल, बहुत जल. You can think of it for the time being as this. But I mean, what does ek
ओके
jal
ओके
mean? Is it a one drop of water or one sarovara? It could be anything. So samashti में,
ओके.
हाँ. So samashti. If you look at a drop of water, that is also jala. If you look at a pond of water, which is a collection of drops of water, that is also jala. So you can just say ek
राइट.
jal, do jal, teen jal like that. For the time being, for the
ओके
sake of, yeah.
ओके. सो वारी इज जल. वारिणी अर्थात दो जल. वारी अर्थात बहुत सारे जल. वारी अर्थात एक जल को. वारिणी अर्थात दो जलों को. वारिणी अर्थात बहुत सारे जलों को. वारिणा अर्थात एक जल के द्वारा. वारिभ्याम अर्थात दो जलों द्वारा. वारिभी अर्थात बहुत सारे जलों द्वारा. वारिणे अर्थात एक जल के लिए. वारिभ्याम अर्थात दो जलों के लिए. वारिभ्य अर्थात बहुत सारे जलों के लिए. वारिणः अर्थात एक जल से. वारिभ्याम अर्थात दो जलों से. वारिभ्य अर्थात बहुत सारे जलों से. वारिणः अर्थात एक जल. सॉरी, यस. वारिणः अर्थात एक जल का. वारिणौ अर्थात दो जलों का. वारिणाम अर्थात बहुत सारे जलों का. वारिणी अर्थात एक जल में या एक जल पर. वारिणों अर्थात दो जलों पर. वारिषु अर्थात बहुत सारे जलों में. हे वारी रे.
नो नो, हे वारी
हे
नहीं. हे
वारी.
वारी अथवा हे वारे.
ओके ओके.
हाँ.
हे वारी या हे वारे. हे वारिणी. हे वारिणी.
हाँ. ठीक है. परफेक्ट. नाउ ओके, लेट मी गो बैक टू द अभ्यास. 24 नंबर जो अभ्यास है, विल लुक एट दैट. सो Wadi is done. Now there is one more dhatu that we need to know. Dhatu is da dhatu. Da is a very important dhatu. It It is the basis of a lot of stories also in India. So you may have heard about Harishchandra, right? Or you may have heard about Raja Shibi. All of these famous stories, they have that concept of Danam. So,
Yes.
Da Dhatu, Dena. So it will come here. Da. Let us go to Da Dhatu. Da is 24th. Hmm. Got it. So what is it saying? Lat, lot and lang lakara, right? That is what we need to do. So I will say for, and this is Juhotyadi Gana. So we are seeing a new Gana now. Juhotyadi Gana. जुहोत्यादि गण में क्या होता है? द्वित्व होता है। जो शब्द मूल धातु में है उसका दुगुना हो जाता है, या यू सी ए सिमिलर साउंडिंग वर्ड। आई एम सेइंग इट इन अ वेरी ब्रॉडर सेंस। जुहोती जो धातु है उसमें भी एक्चुअली इट इज it is who, but it becomes juhoti. But at least for da we see dadati, द्वित्व हो रहा है, ददाति दत्तः ददति, दो बार द आ रहा है, that is what we are seeing. So point is, in the dhatus of juhotyadi gana you will see a doubling happening. So dadati, dattah, dadati, ramah dadati, राम लक्ष्मणौ दत्तः, राम लक्ष्मण शत्रुघ्न भरताश्च, भरतश्च ददति। त्वं ददासि युवां दत्तः, यूयं दत्थ, ददामि अहं ददामि, आवां दद्वः, वयं दद्मः। And then lot lakara. Lot lakara is, we say, right? Bhavatu me, dadatu me, ho. So in that sense, dadatu wo de. So saha dadatu. Kim dadatu, siddhim dadatu. You can say siddhim dadatu. Dattam. Tau dattam. Te dadatu. Tvam dehi, we say, right? Yasho dehi, disho jahi. So dehi, dehi comes here. So tvam dehi, युवाम दत्तम, यूयम दत्ता, तुम तीनों या तीन से अधिक दो, ददानी अहम ददानी मैं दूं, आवाम ददाव, वयं ददामः। एंड नाउ कम्स लंग लकार। अददात रामः वरम, अददात राम ने वरदान दिया, रामः लक्ष्मणश्च अदत्ताम, दोनों ने वर दिया, अददु अददुहु रामः लक्ष्मणः भरतः शत्रुघ्नश्च अददुहु। In the same way, adadaha, adattam, adatta, adadam, adadva, adadma. So we have seen for da dhatu also. At least three lakaras we have seen. Now comes particular sutra, very important. Abhyasa 24 we have seen, right? Abhyasa 24 we are seeing. Abhyasa 24, one, sorry, we have seen da dhatu. Now a sutra. Sutra is pad shabd roop ya dhatu roop. What is pada? Pada is, there is a sutra. Sup Suptingantam padam. So all the dhatus that you see have a mool dhatu, and then you add a set of pratyaya, the set of suffixes to create the dhatu rupas. You call these as the ting dhatus. In the same way, sup dhatus are used after a pada and they lead to the creation of, after a pratipadika and they lead to the creation of a pada. So all the vibhaktis or the karakas are covered over there. So that is why they are saying pad. What is a पद? अ शब्द रूपा और धातु रूपा कि अंतिम ए या ओ के बाद अ हो तो वह हट जाता है। अ हटा है इस बात को बताने के लिए अवग्रह चिन्ह लगा दिया जाता है, जैसे लोके और अस्मिन। अ हैज गॉन बट यू विल हैव टू कीप अ अवग्रह, इट बिकम्स लोकेस्मिन। In the same way, hareva, opi, vishnova, all of these are coming. One more thing is coming. आना, चलना अर्थ की धातुओं और अकर्मक धातु से त प्रत्यय होने पर कर्ता में प्रथमा और कर्म में द्वितीया होती है। सह गृहम गच्छति। गच्छति इज व्हाट? गच्छति इज अ धातु रूपा, it is a kriya pada, but I want to not use the kriya pada. I rather want to use the kriya, the dhatu as a in a way that it becomes a visheshana for the karta. So वो कैसा है? वो घर गया हुआ है, so that becomes the visheshana, घर गया हुआ राहुल, something like this. So कैसा राहुल? घर गया हुआ राहुल. So सह कह, और we can say something like this. So सह गृहम गतः, सह विद्यालयम प्राप्तः. तो विद्यालय is the कर्म कारका, and in that you have to use द्वितीया anyway, that makes sense. And so what they are trying to say is, if you have an akarmaka dhatu, then in that akarmaka dhatu you have to use in a akarmaka dhatu or dhatus which have the sense of jana and chalana, like gachati or praptaha, something like this. All of these will incorporate, or all of these are, so gachati and praptaha or apnoti, all these are dhatus which have a sense of jana or chalna. ठीक है? So jana chalna, so wherever you go somewhere, you need to have a karma karaka. So jana or gam dhatu is not a akarmaka dhatu, it requires the karma karaka. So it is not akarmaka, it is sakarmaka. But even with gum or some other dhatus and the akarmaka dhatus, if you have ta pratyaya, then you are going to use prathama in karta and karma has to be dvitiya. So makes sense this thing. See, prakarshena aptah, ठीक ठीक पहुंच गया. So aptah is आप, आपनोति, आप जोड़ त प्रत्यय is आपतः, अस जोड़ त प्रत्यय is भूतः. This happens, there is a reason for this, there is a Panini Sutra, we will go to it later, but you can look at these things. So I will ask Prantik Daradar now to take up from here and tell from us se bhutah till hr se hritah, all of them.
अस भूतः, आप आप्तः, इक्ष ईक्षितः, कथ कथितः, क्रि कृतः, क्रीड क्रीडितः, खाद खादितः, गम गतः, चुर चोरितः, छिद छिन्नः, जन जातः, ज्ञा ज्ञातः, त्यज त्यक्तः, दा दत्तः, दृष्टः, धा हितः, ध्री
धृतः, नम, नतः, नश्, नष्टः, पठ, पठितः, पा, पीतः, पृच्छ, पृष्टः, ब्रू, उक्तः, भक्ष, भक्षितः, भू, भूतः, लिख, लिखितः, वद, उदितः, वस, उषितः, वह, उ, वह, अ, ऊढः, श्रु, श्रुतः, स्था, स्थितः, तः,
Hmm. And then
अ, अ,
this is hr. Hr.
yes, I have told already.
Oh, okay,
Ri,
okay, okay,
Tataha.
okay, perfect. So we are done with these things. Now, what will be the meaning? So, Divakar ji, tell me uh, the meaning of 1, 2, and 3.
ओके। सुचि वारी पिब अर्थात साफ जल पियो, स्वच्छ जल पियो।
What is the Karaka
सु,
here? What is the Karaka?
कारक जल पियो।
Piva,
Pibba is Karaka.
नहीं, कारक तो आई मीन लकार तो आई एम
हाँ,
अवेयर
Lakar
दैट
is what?
इट्स
What is the Lakara? Tell me, what is the Lakara?
लोट लकार।
Perfect. Lot Lakara. So,
यस।
can you just tell me it in Hindi? What does this mean?
हिंदी अर्थात स्वच्छ पानी पियो।
हाँ, so उसमें इस पानी में कौन सा कारक होगा? कौन सी विभक्ति होनी चाहिए हिंदी के अनुसार?
पानी में होनी चाहिए वो अच्छा ओके, द्वितीय कर्म कारक।
Perfect, exactly. Now, second one, Shuchina Varina Snanam Kuru. What does this mean? And what is the Lakara here in Kuru? And Shuchina Varina, what is the Karaka?
सुचिना वारिणा स्नानम करो अर्थात स्वच्छ जल से स्नान करो। सो वारिणा में है अपादान, सॉरी नहीं, तृतीया विभक्ति करण कारक।
Perfect.
एंड
स्नानम में क्या है?
यस, स्नानम,
हाँ,
स्नानम इज कर्म।
perfect. Shuchine Varine Nadim Gacha, to ठीक है, that is easy, but just tell me what is this? Shuchine Varine Nadim Gacha. What is the car? So tell me three things. For all the padas, Vachana, Vibhakti, and and Lakara, and yes, so Vachan, Vibhakti, Lakara, and Karaka.
सुचिने वारिणे, सुचि वारी, जस्ट अ मिनट, वारी ओके। सुचिने हैज चतुर्थी विभक्ति, एक वचन।
हम्म, परफेक्ट। उसका
वारी,
मतलब क्या होगा फिर?
अर्थात स्वच्छ जल के लिए नदी में जाओ, तो
परफेक्ट,
स्वच्छ के लिए।
परफेक्ट।
यस।
So another one that I will do is this one. त्वं शिष्याय धनं ददासि देहि अददाह वा। तुम शिष्य के लिए धन देते हो, यू गिव मनी फॉर द शिष्या, देही, तुम शिष्य के लिए धन दो, you give money for the shishya, or you had given money for the shishya, adadaha. Or the word or is coming in Sanskrit as va, athava or va. Now Ramena Brahmanaya Dhanam Dattam Jalam Pitam Bharah Nitaha. Prantikda, what is the meaning of this part? Ramena, I will increase the size a little bit because
हाँ
so Ramena, just this much. I will highlight it.
हाँ
So one second.
रामेण ब्राह्मणाय धनं दत्तं जलं पीतं भारः नीतः
बस इतना
ओके
तक हाँ.
ओके ओके रामेण ब्राह्मणाय धनं दत्तं राम ने ब्राह्मण को धन दिया जलम पीतम जल पिया भारः नीतः और भार उठाया
See, in a broad sense, this is correct, but Ramne, when you say it is just the karta karaka or Ramaha.
हम्म
But what we are trying to do, we are trying to use the Tritiya Vibhakti. राम के द्वारा
राम के द्वारा
ब्राह्मणों के लिए धनम किम धनम दत्तम.
दत्तम
हाँ. जलम किम जलम पीतम भारः कः भारः नीतः. In the same way, other things are also there. Now,
ओके
okay. Uh, okay. So, yeah. Use the hints that I gave and tell me the Anuvada Prantikda for.
ओके राम स्वच्छ जल पीता है राम स्वच्छ जल पीता है रा रामेण यहाँ पे रामेण नहीं होगा
हो सकता है.
हम्म,
कुछ भी हो सकता है. बट
रामेण स्वच्छ जल ओके रामेण स्वच्छ जल पीतम तू स्वच्छ जल ला तू स्वच्छ स्वच्छ जल ला ये स्वच्छ जल के लिए तू स्वच्छ जल ला
so Swacha Jala, we have to look at the Udaharana that we discussed now. So Jal ke liye the word we learned today is
वारी
Vari.
ओके
And then we have to look at the other word. Swachh ke liye the word that we are looking at is Shuchi.
रुचि
Now look at the Dhatu Rupa for this. This is in page number, for this is, I don't know the page number, but you can look at Shabda Sankhya 23 at the back and you will get the answer for this from there.
ओके शब्द संख्या 23 एक मिनट I'm opening it.
Sure.
तब त्वं शुचीनां वारी त्वं शुचीनां वारी Yes. त्वं ला के लिए I need help with this. त्वं शुचिवारिला.
So Shuchi Vari. So if I look at it from a Bangla or a Hindi perspective,
Hmm.
tum swachha jal lao. That is, tum is the karta who has to do this.
Hmm.
The other thing is, what will be the target of this karta? The karma karaka. That will be
Hmm.
किसको लाएगा? That swachha jala. So karma
Hmm.
karaka will be dvitiya vibhakti. If I say
Hmm.
shuchi vari, vari is dvitiya vibhakti ekvachanam is vari only.
वारी
And
Okay. Hmm.
uh, we know that the Visheshana takes the linga vibhakti and vachana of the Visheshya. So Shuchi will
Okay.
also be like Vari. So Shuchi
Yes. त्वं
Vari.
शुचिवारी.
Tvam Shuchi Vari
Hmm.
Anaya. In the same way, you can do it
आनय.
for
Okay. Okay.
uh,
आनय. Okay.
Anaya. So in the same
Hmm.
way, you can do it for. By in Bengali we said Ano.
आनो. अच्छा आनय. Okay. आनय. Oh, yes,
Uh,
I forgot. Okay. हाँ.
it comes
आनय.
like that,
Hmm.
So very similar, yeah.
स्वच्छ
So
जल के लिए तू नदी पर जा. अ, सुबह शुचिवारिणां हेतु अ, त्वं न नदीं गच्छ. Will it be like that?
Acha, it will be like किसके
शुचि.
लिए किसके
हाँ.
लिए if I say पानी के लिए if I say suppose if I say मोक्षाय त्वम uh, uh, साधनाम कुरु मोक्ष के लिए तुम साधना करो तो
Okay.
व्हाट इज
Okay.
दिस
Okay.
मोक्ष के लिए किसके लिए तो जिसके लिए उस पे वी नो वी हैव टू यूज द संप्रदान कारका और द चतुर्थी विभक्ति सो अभी क्या किसके लिए करना है फॉर व्हाट डू आई नीड
शुचि.
टू गो टू नदी आई नीड टू गो टू नदी फॉर स्वच्छ जला सो
हाँ.
जल इज वारी इट विल बी
Yes.
चतुर्थी विभक्ति एक वचनम सो वारिणे एंड
हाँ. शुचिवारिणे त्वं नदीं गच्छ.
शुचि ने because
Okay.
it will
शुचि ने.
also take the
Okay.
same form. So this is something that I will tell you. Very interestingly, it comes if you look at some spiritual literature, you will realize. So if you go
Hmm.
and look at the old translations of some of the granthas, like say Mahanirvana Tantra, or for example, if you go and see our Shivachandra Vidyarnava's
Hmm.
this text, Tantra Tattva, which was,
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
think, Principles
तंत्र
of
सार है.
Tantra. So
हाँ.
Tantra Tattva was in Bengali. Principles of
Yes.
Tantra was Arthur Avalon's Anuvada for that by
Yes.
Woodroffe. So now over there, if you look at Tantra Tattva Bengali, he uses a lot of Sanskritized Bengali. So if you look at Vidyasagar's Bengali or Bankim Chandra's Bengali or even Swami Vivekananda is credited a lot for bringing a new force in the Bengali language. So in fact, Tagore praises him a lot for that. So, but post Swami Vivekananda also, if you look at the later brother disciples of his, I mean not later, his brother disciples like Swami Sharadananda, Sharat Maharaj. So if you look at his writings in the Leela Prasanga, Sri Ramakrishna Leela Prasanga, you will see that he uses a Sanskritized Bengali, where in Bengali also he writes something like, for example, Sharola Balika, Sarala
Hmm. Hmm.
Balika. So,
Hmm.
but now, today, standing today, it is considered to be a correct thing if you write Shorol Balika instead of Shorola Balika. In those days, it was not the case. So we have this in Hindi also, that sanskara that we say we sometimes don't use the same linga vibhakti vachana for the Visheshana. So that's the thing. So Shuchi Varine. So that goes very well, that kind of a thing for Bengali sometimes. But Sanskrit, we have to be very strict on this. It becomes Shuchine Varine. Now that's one thing that I can tell. The other question that I can ask is uh, this thing to Divakar ji. वह दान देता है. What is this?
ओके, वह दान देता है, सह दानम, ओके, ददाति, और just let me check the verb for देना was 24. Yes, सह दानम, दानम ददाति,
ददाति.
सह
Okay.
दानम, yes,
हाँ. तू धन देता है. What is this?
त्वम धनम ददासि.
Now, पिता बालक को फूल दे, right? This is फूल दे. What is this then?
वन सेकेंड, पिता बालक को फूल दे, पिता बालकम पुष्पम देहि, सॉरी नॉट दे, यस, देहि,
देही.
पिता बालकम,
देही is
यस,
देही is this thing, right? Madhyama Purusha, not dehi.
यस, ओके, सो प्रथम पुरुष we will use.
Yes, you will use Pratham Purusha. What would the dada tu, right?
Yes, but aren't we talking directly to the pita? I mean,
No, 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 no.
aren't,
So we will say, "Hey Pita, tum do," right, right? We do we
okay,
say Pita balak ko fool de, right? That I mean, unless you are using typical Tapori language or saying abe tabe to Pita also. In
okay,
that case,
right,
Pita balak ko phal de. We say like that to Pita. We will dijiye we will say, or something like that, right? Pita balak ko fool de is simple. It is dadatu,
okay.
right?
ददातु,
पिता
yes,
हाँ पिता बालकम पुष्पम
पुष्पम ददातु.
ददातु. That is how it will work. Or rather, I made a mistake. Sorry. Yes, I was also thinking. So जहाँ देते हैं वहाँ
So
क्या
will
होगी?
it be like
चतुर्थी.
Hey Pita?
हाँ. No,
Sorry?
no, no, no. Hey Pita will be there. Hey Pita can be there. But just think of it. I mean, a Granthakara teaching Sanskrit, will he say Hey Pita बालक को फूल दे? So दीजिए
Hmm.
he would at least say, right? So पिता बालक को फूल दे is just the father should give flower to the balaka. Now I made a mistake over there, which is why I was checking it. I said balak ko phool de. I said pita balakam pushpam dadatu. What is the mistake?
Mm,
दानार्थे चतुर्थी. किसी को
yes,
कुछ
yes,
देते हैं
yes, yes,
तो
yes.
वी यूज चतुर्थी. सो इट विल बी बालकाय.
Hmm.
In the same way, this one,
बालकाय
this guy will be aham balakaya phalam dadami. तू फल देता
ददामि.
है is fine because there is no person whom the dhana is being given. So यहाँ पे तो चतुर्थी का जरूरत नहीं है. But we will need चतुर्थी for the other ones. Okay, so we are done with this part. Now write these, practice these things. That is what I can say. This will be kritaha, hritaha. I don't know what is written here. This is dattaha, pitaha, स्थितः उक्तः पृष्टः त्यक्तः भिन्नः हतः सुप्तः, like that. You can also see here they have given that list, right? They
Hmm.
have given that list, so you can just fill it up using this. Now this is Hare Jod Ava. Is what is the sutra that will operate here?
एडः पदाना
Enga
तदति
Padantadati. Enga
पदांता
Padantadati. And what is happening? Sorry, A या O के बाद यदि अ आए तो अ का लोप होता है और अ को के लोप को सूचित करने के लिए अवग्रह चिन्ह दिखाया जाता है. तो हरेव गृहेस्मिन् केत्र धर्मेयम विष्णोव कोयम कोत्र कोपि सोपि. It will be like that. So that is what I wanted to talk about. Let me just go to the Ashtadhyayi thing also. Let me just see what the sutra is saying. It's important that you people keep looking at Ashtadhyayi all the time. That's at the heart of all Vyakarana. Let me see what comes. It becomes very difficult sometimes to even find these sutras. Can you just tell me the if have they given the number for the sutra somewhere?
नो.
No, right? Sometimes that becomes easy to search. We इंग पदांतादति. पदांत पदांत पद के अंत में एंग वर्णात ह्रस्व अकारे परे पूर्व परयोः एकः पूर्वरूप एकादेशः भवति. So what is एंग वर्ण? What is एंग here? We know ayun rilrik eong. So eong, this thing. So we have created a pratyahara, a short word which denotes a lot of other aksharas. Eng denotes A and O. Can we see it here? We can try. So let me go to Shiva Sutra. I hope this is visible. Aong, right? Aong. So A or O. Okay. So A or O has come. उसके बाद क्या है? ह्रस्व अकारा is there. Then the a goes away and we have a avagraha chinha. That will come. One ismin. I think you have seen all this thing, right? Dehi nosmin yatha dehi kaumaram yauvanam jara tatha dehantara praptihi dhiras tatra na muhyati. You've seen this in Gita, right? Hmm. That is what is coming. Now let me go here. Okay. So we have done this part actually. You need to practice. So let me again go to Ramodantam. So Sita has seen the Maya Mriga and Rama went to Kananantara. Rama went to the uh, village. Rama has gone to the village. So not the village, sorry, forest. Kanana. He has gone to the forest. Now, what is happening? The next verse is Vivyadha Vivyadha च मृगम रामः स निजं रूपमास्थितः हासीते लक्ष्मण इति एवं रुदन प्राणान समत्यजत. That is Vivyadha. समृगम राम, राम ने उसको बाण से बीध दिया, मार दिया। विव्याधा, so vivyadha is the word that is coming, vivyadha. Now what is this vivyadha? The word is vyat. Vyat is the dhatu. Vyad dhatu works like vidyati, विध्यतः विध्यन्ति, बीधना, बीध दिया बाण से। समृगम राम। And what happened to them? So once that was done, what did he do? Sa nijam rupam asthitah. It came back to its original form. Sa nijam rupam asthitah. It came back to its own form. And what did he do? रुदन, रोदन करते हुए। कैसा रोदन किया? हा सीते, हा लक्ष्मण, ऐसा रोदन किया। हा सीते हा लक्ष्मण इति एवं, इस प्रकार का रोदन किया करते हुए। प्राणान समत्यजत, he left the prana. Now एतत् आकर्ण्य वैदेह्या लक्ष्मणश्चोदितो भृशं तद्रक्षां देवताः प्रार्थ्य प्रययौ राघवान्तिकम्। भृशं लक्ष्मणम, so to this Lakshmana, she very aggressively she pressed him to go and look for Rama. After doing what? Etad akarniya. Etad akarniya. Who? This Vaidehi, Sita. Now, tadraksham devataha prarthya. So for her raksha, he prayed to the devatas, and then, so there is no story of Lakshman Rekha coming here, if you can see, because this is based on the Valmiki Ramayana. So prayayau raghavantikam, he went towards, he went near Rama. Tadanantare samasadya Ravano yati रूपधृत सीतां गृहीत्वा प्रययौ गगनेन मुदान्वितः. With pleasure, with a lot of joy, he went to the Akasha Marga. Who? Ravana. And how did he come? Yati Rupadhrita. He took the form of a Yati, a Sadhu Baba. And when did he come? Tadanantare. After Lakshmana went to where? After what did after what? Prayayau Raghavantikam. Lakshmana Prayayau Raghavantikam. He went near Rama. After that, Ravana did this. And why was he very happy? Why was he Mudanvitah Ravana? Because he could kidnap Sita. Sitam Grihitva Prayayo. Via what means? Did he go through water? No. Did he go through train? No. He went through Gagana or Gaganena, Tritiya Vibhakti. ततः ततो जटायुरालोक्य नीयमानान्तु जानकीं प्राहर रावणं प्राप्य तुण्डपक्षनखैर्भृशम्. So very seriously or very severely Jatayu. So what did Jatayu see? Tatah, after this happened, after Ravana took her via the Akasha Marga, Jatayu, after that, what did he do? He alokya, he saw, seeing Niyamanantu Janakim, seeing the kidnapped Sita, he praharat Ravanam, he attacked Ravana. With what? Tunda Paksha Nakhaihi, with his beak, with his wings, and with his nails. With his beak, with his wings, and with his nails. How? Bhrisham, severely. And then, Chitvainam Chandrahasena Patayitva cha bhutale Grihitva Ravana Sitam pravishan nija mandiram. So what did he do? He tore it apart, or he cut it apart. What? This Jatayu. And then what happened? It threw him to the ground. Patayitva cha bhutale. And then what did Ravana do? He entered his own palace, Nija Mandiram, after taking Sita, Grihitva Sita. So we end at this, and then we will look at the other verses tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a class, as I said. So
At what time?
7:30, if that works, or we can also adjust a little bit. I mean, at least I can adjust, so you can let me know.
Okay, actually, from 6:30, I have my class
Uh-huh.
from 6:30 to 8 o'clock.
So 8, 10, 8:15 works. Divakar ji?
8:15, if 8:15 works.
So Divakar ji, what about you?
Yeah, fine by my
Okay,
me
fine.
as well.
So 8:15 to 9:15 we can have the
Thank you,
class.
sir. Sure.
So okay, fine. So 8:15 to 9:15, yeah. We will end with the Mangalacharana. Yenakshara samamnayam adhikamve maheshwarat krishnam vyakaranam proktam tasmai paninaya namaha vakyakaram vararuchim bhashakaram patanjalim paniniyam sutrakaram cha pranatosmi munitraye. Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha.